Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI B-State question paper of year 2016. Let us start with question number 5. In question number 5, it has been asked to find out the largest integer which is less than or equal to 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 4. The options are 192, 193, 194 and 195. Okay, so let the required integer be n. Okay, so n is less than equal to 2 plus root 3 to the power 4. Now let us find out 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 2. Now this is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3. So this will give us 7 plus 4 root 3. So this implies that 2 plus root 3 whole to the power 4 will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square, that will be equal to 49 plus 48 plus 56 root 3, which will be almost equal to 193.992, and therefore we can say that this is almost equal to 193.992. now n is less than this value and n is also an integer, therefore n max is equal to 193, which is the option B. So as you can see that today we have solved question number 5 from the ISI B-State question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Saurabh's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.